Hey friends, and welcome back to another video in my clean mass series. If this is your first video from this series, I am cleaning something in my home every day until New Year's Eve. Here in my country, it is customary for people to do general cleaning, general sprucing up of their homes and yards. So a lot of people do a major cleanup for Christmas, and they'll paint their walls, fences. If they have anything to repair, they'll repair it. They'll buy new furniture, new bedding, new curtains, that sort of thing. So in keeping with the spirit, I am doing small tasks because not everybody has a whole day to clean. And if you are that person, you can find some motivation here every day. So I've decided to put aside 15 minutes every day to clean something in my home. 15 minutes is not a lot of time, but you still can get something done. And for all my mamas that are busy this season making all the magic happen, you can definitely spare 15 minutes. So today I am cleaning the doors that are in my master bedroom suite. So that's gonna be 3 doors. This is the door leading into my bedroom. I'm not gonna clean the outside of the door today. I'm just gonna clean this side of the door, and then I'll be cleaning the door to the closet and the door to the bathroom. Those doors I'm gonna clean on both sides. I'm cleaning the door itself as well as the trim around the door. Do you call that trim or do you call that molding? Whichever one. My clean mess videos will be coming out at 7 p.m. each evening. That's Eastern Standard Time. So if you're new here and you like the idea and you'd like to come along for the journey with me, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notifications by hitting the bell. If you're new, please go ahead and say hi down in the comments. I like to hear from my new subscribers. Some of you are public, so I can see when you subscribe. I can see your name, etc. And then there are others that you're not public, and so I can't see if you don't comment. So if you're new, say hi down in the comments. This task took me a total of around 18 minutes, and that included the time that I took to move the tripod and to move stuff out of the way. I had to move some stuff out of the way just to make sure that it wasn't in frame. Of course, if you're cleaning and you're not filming, then you'll get it done in around the same time that I got this video done, because I am playing in real time. This video has not been sped up any at all. Alright guys, so I'm gonna stop talking now and let the rest of the video play out. I hope you enjoyed this cleaning motivation, and I hope you will come back tomorrow for another video when I'm cleaning something else, and I will be cleaning in my bedroom. I'll be doing the baseboards in the bedroom, in the bathroom, and in the closet. Okay guys, so you've been here for 9 minutes. If you're still here, thank you so much for spending 9 minutes of your life with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.